Today topic is how can we calculate one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. So its procedure is very simple. They can give you question like that. One example I have given here. A survey showed that 42 people out of 65 preferred salt and vinegar flavored crisp. So what percentage preferred salt and vinegar crisps? In this case, you can see that the total number of people who are taking part in a survey, they are only 65 people, right? So total number of persons are 65, and in the survey they have noticed that 42 people they like salt and vinegar flavored crisp. So 42 people out of 65, meaning 42 divided by 65, and if I have to find the percentage of this value, then simply I will multiply it by 100%. And why I will multiply it by 100%? This is the case. For this thing I will give you an example, that if there is some number, for example 3 is here, then you can see nothing is multiplied by 3, but in fact 1 is multiplied by 3, but it is not written. Similarly, if we have figure 101, it seems nothing is multiplied, but keep in mind 100 is multiplied by every number. Whatever the number, we can see that number is multiplied by 1, but it is not written because multiplication by 1 will give you the same answer, so it is not mentioned. In the similar way, when there is a number, always remember that that number is multiplied by 1 and also that number is divided by 1, but we are not writing them because their answer will remain the same number. So if I have given this thing, I have to find from out of 65 persons, the percentage of those who like salt and vinegar flavor crisp. They are given 42. So 42 divided by total number of persons multiply by 100%. Why I have written 100%? Because I want my answer in percentage, and if I want to find my answer in percentage, I should have a percent sign. But 100%, what is the meaning of 100%? 100% meaning percent sign mean 1 by 100, it means out of 100. So when I am using 100%, it means 100 multiplied by 1 by 100, and 100 will cancel 100. Our answer will be 1, right? So that number is multiplied by 1, and in place of this 1, I can write here 100% because 100% will give me answer 1. So there will be no change in my given number, but this 100% will give me my answer in percentage, which is required. Do you get it? It's so simple that whenever you have to find the percentage, one quantity as a percentage of another quantity, you just multiply it by 100%. Keep in mind 100%, not 100 alone, not percent alone, 100%, because the answer of 100% is 1. As I have explained here, it will give you answer as 1. So I will multiply it by 100%, and when I will simplify this thing, cut the denominator, numerator wherever is possible, do the cutting and do the multiplication, and then simply divide it by 13. It will give you answer 64.6, so on, whatever the answer. If they want the answer in one decimal place, then you will round off that answer, and this of your answer will give you in percent form. Don't remember you have this percentage sign. It is very necessary to write. If you will forget to write the percentage sign, then they will cut your 1 marks, and if your question is of 3 marks, they will give you only 2 marks because 1 marks will be of percentage sign, right? So keep it in mind, these signs are very important, right? So when you have to find one quantity as a percentage of another, simply you will multiply it by 100% as I have given, and in your answer you have to write percent sign.